Somalia's Air Force is rising again Somali pilots training in Pakistan. The historic image young Somali cadets, standing proudly during aviation training in Pakistan. But politically and militarily, this image carries enormous significance. Because for Somalia, rebuilding an air force is not just about military power. It is about sovereignty. It is about independence. And it is about reclaiming control over Somali skies after decades of weakness. Pakistan, one of the Muslim world's most experienced military aviation powers, is now playing a central role in that transformation. The partnership reportedly includes advanced pilot training, aviation engineering support technology, transfer military cooperation and support linked to the JF-17 fighter jet platform. This marks one of the biggest military aviation developments in Somalia in decades. The JF-17 fighter jet deal developed jointly by Pakistan and China. The JF-17 is considered one of the most affordable modern multi-role fighter jets in the world. The aircraft is capable of air defense missions, precision strikes, reconnaissance operations, maritime patrol support, and rapid response combat missions for Somalia. Acquiring or operating aircraft linked to this platform would represent a massive leap forward. Reports suggest the broader agreement could include pilot education programs, maintenance and engineering systems, simulator training, airbase construction, and long-term military cooperation. Some reports even estimate the wider defense cooperation package at nearly $900 million. If fully implemented, it could become one of the most ambitious military modernization programs in East Africa. Somalia's expanding military partnerships. Pakistan is not the only country helping Somalia rebuild its military aviation capability. According to reports, Somali pilots are also receiving training in Türkiye, Qatar, and Eritrea. This reveals something much bigger. Somalia is building a network of strategic military partnerships across multiple regions. Türkiye has already become one of Somalia's closest security allies, providing military training, infrastructure support, and defense cooperation. Qatar has expanded financial and security partnerships, and Eritrea has reportedly hosted Somali military trainees for years. Together, these partnerships suggest Somalia is pursuing a long-term strategy, not simply rebuilding an air force, but building a modern, professional military structure connected to regional allies. And in a rapidly changing Horn of Africa, that matters enormously. Why this changes the region. The Horn of Africa is becoming one of the world's most strategically important regions. Global powers are competing for influence near the Red Sea, the Gulf of Aden, and major international trade routes. In this environment, air power matters. A capable Somali Air Force could help Somalia protect its airspace, secure coastal regions, fight extremist threats, monitor maritime routes, and strengthen national defense. But this transformation also changes regional calculations. Neighboring countries will closely watch Somalia's growing military capabilities, especially if Somalia begins operating advanced combat aircraft and modern aviation systems. For years, Somalia depended heavily on foreign support for security. Now, the country appears determined to build its own long-term defense capacity, and that shift could reshape military balances across the region. A new era for Somalia. For many Somalis, these images represent more than military training. They represent hope, a new generation of Somali pilots, a new generation of military officers, and perhaps a new chapter for the nation itself. Rebuilding an air force will not happen overnight. Modern military aviation requires huge financial investment, technical expertise, maintenance systems, infrastructure, and years of training, but Somalia has clearly taken a major first step. And if these partnerships continue expanding, the Somali Air Force could soon become one of the fastest-growing military aviation forces in Africa. Jets flying into sunset, from silent skies to fighter jet ambitions. Somalia's military transformation is accelerating faster than many expected, and the world is beginning to notice. Will Somalia truly rebuild a powerful modern air force? Or is this only the beginning of an even bigger geopolitical shift in the Horn of Africa? Tell us what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep geopolitical stories from Africa and beyond. Until next time, thanks for watching.